My name is Tushar Sharma, and I'm currently leading the HR function at Teamsure Technologies. I think the number one thing was the dashboard, which was ready from the very first day. This has been a great problem for us when we worked with different vendors in the past. It was a very smooth onboarding experience. The customer success managers from Onsurity had been of great help and continues to be. And with that ease of automation, technology, plus support from the Onsurity ensured that we continue to work on all the important aspects and not sway away with the intricacies of these difficult and complex issues when it comes to insurance. My HR team was fortunate enough to have a good onboarding experience from Onsurity members. Our CSM support had been really great. We were provided with right steps, right methods, and the technology provided by Onsurity was very smooth, taking away the pain of doing things manually. The automation really helped us, and that ensured that we focused only on the aspect of onboarding people, and rest was taken care by the technology. When it comes to employees, I think everyone was aware of how Onsurity works, how to utilize the app, and where to find the Good Doctor team's number, etc. And the support provided from the HR team in helping them address such issues, even in case of emergencies, because sometimes people tend to not look at your policy documents when they are struggling with something of emergency nature. But the crispness of the process, the mode provided by Onsurity, which is short, which does not confuse people, ensured that everybody could utilize Onsurity at the time they want to. Plus, the benefits provided by Onsurity, like unlimited counseling, extending Onsurity to other people in the family members, etc., had been of great help. We tend to not look out for other vendors for such needs when it comes to employee assistance programs. I think Onsurity provided a holistic solution to us in terms of health insurance, mental wellness, and complete well-being of our employees. The stigma of mental health continues. People have preconceived notions. They have fear about coming out with such issues, and they want secrecy, they want confidentiality, and Onsurity ensured that they provided this safe environment to our employees. What we got to know through our quarterly reviews is that a lot of people utilized the free counseling sessions, and we were happy that people were using it, because if none would have been using, that could have been of more concern to us. So giving them a space to explore the option of offerings, having them decide, okay, whenever they want to use that offering for themselves with secret environment, with confidentiality, does added a lot of value to our employees, and we continue to support our employees if they also come out to us. Seeing these numbers, I think we were impressed, and we kind of had an assurance that, okay, Onsurity is there to take care of such problems. One thing that I really loved about Onsurity is the flexibility of payments. We have this monthly payment program, and for businesses like us, which continues to have low capital, investing such an amount in advance becomes a challenge every year. So this flexibility helped us a lot. Second, when it comes to providing these great benefits at a very cost-effective price, I think Onsurity's game. No other vendor even could manage to come close to what Onsurity was offering at the time of renewal for us. Third was obviously the automation and the technology provided by Onsurity. It was fairly smooth. I still have vendors who struggle with technology, but Onsurity is at par. Fourth, I think Onsurity provided great customer success managers to me. So that kind of support from CSMs continues to add cherry on the cake and provide great experience to the customers. I would say on a rate of 5, I think Onsurity has done 5.5. Number one would be reduction in the number of cases wherein people were struggling to identify how to utilize health insurance. In the past, most of our people were dependent on the HR team to help them out in the case of emergency. But with Onsurity and their Good Doctors teams, a toll-free number to call to, the application having support on a single touch, etc., provided great experience and right kind of support at the right time to our employees. And with that, we have seen less number of struggle that had happened with our employees and less intervention from the HR team to help them in their emergency cases. This has been a great add-on, ensuring that we have more time to focus on the core HR work, plus providing the right kind of experience to the employees plus not being able to monitoring everything from our end. So that relaxation that came with Onsurity was at par when I compare it with other vendors so far. We provide them best of the benefits, best of the insurance cover, plus best of the services possible. So all these three things came into a total package to us through Onsurity, with having best of the premium possible with such and some insured, having such good room rent capacity, covering almost major ailments, and giving them the right kind of experience when they want to exercise the Onsurity benefits, provided free mindset, relaxed mindset to our employees and to the HR team. And thus, as I said, because you take care of these nuances which happens from time to time in such a fashion that they get addressed proactively, you give a lot of time to the HR team and the employees to focus on their core work. So that has been a good boost and a great add-on for us.